So now we have the next speaker. We invite Dr. Sanjay Kumar. Sanjay Kumar, Assistant Professor, Psychology, SCRT, Delhi. And as everybody know, Delhi is for the quality education, and the whole government is formed on the basis of quality education. And the people behind it is like Sanjay Kumar ji, who are making everything right. So how you made it right, sir? So please go ahead, Sanjay Kumar ji.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
मेरी
And
आवाज
how the Mann Ki Baat can be incorporated into
मेरी
into
आवाज आ रही सर?
yes, yes, are you? And
Thank you, Raut sir.
how the Mann Ki Baat can be incorporated to making it right.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you, Sanjay Kumar.
It was a wonderful day.
Thank you. You have listened.
Lots of ideas.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I'm sharing my views on
Yes.
Delhi education reforms.
Yes.
And as you given me this tagline, you're making it right. So we are moving ahead.
Yes.
Actually, the starting was that we have to think, have corrects to exercise rights. So rights have two meaning here. We have rights and wrong, that meaning, and we have the rights to exercise those we want to exercise. So the journey starts that we have to look for the corrections we have to made in the system so that it should be reflective and dynamic. So the journey start from doing our corrections so that we can exercise our rights. And it starts with participative leadership. Participative leadership means everyone who is in the team should participate, and it should look that everyone is concerned with the sole aim of providing the quality education to the child. So let it be the political leadership, let it be the administrative leadership, let it be the school leadership, let it be the classroom leadership, let it be the parents, let it be the SMC. Whole team is responsive and participative. So we correct everyone correct themselves, and everyone place them in the right place so that we could talk about right things in the system. So then we start valuing the change, that we have to value the change, and change is for betterment. So that valuing the change means respecting the teachers, respecting the parents, respecting the every stakeholders, boost our trust, and mutual trust was built up so that we can work for the reforms in education, and we should move to the positive directions in giving child the prime importance and providing him or her the quality education experiences in the classroom and outside the classroom. So then we build the capacities and collaborations. We collaborate to every organization in the world, abroad in India, that can contribute to our development, that can be beneficial. Let it be IIMs, let it be Cambridge, let it be Finland, let it be any country, let it be Singapore. We go there, we collaborate there, and we provide the opportunity for our teachers and principals and administrators to go there and have experience, have the exposure and experience what they are doing, why they are doing better, and what should we can do in our system. And our is a macro system, and we see the micro system, and this is the guts of this government and this administrative team, and the team of our leaders and principals and teachers, that we show it that we can do it in the macro model. So we actually, to make it right, we have shared the responsibility. Everyone had shared his or her responsibility and corrected her part, and move ahead with the shared responsibility. And actually you are seeing the result that we become responsive to the needs of the child, we become responsive to our curriculum. And it means to say that we introduce happiness curriculum, we introduce EMC curriculum. These were the needs of the hour, these were the needs of the time. So we become responsive to the curriculum, responsive to the needs of the child, responsive to the time, responsive to the contemporary world. So it becomes a success story for us, that we should be a learner, we should learn from every moment, we should learn from everywhere, we should learn from every person, so that we can move ahead. And we should be the dream achiever of the dream of providing the quality education. And lastly, we are celebrating our champions, and let it be anyone. We all are champions. Our administrators are champion, our political will is champion, our teachers are champion, our mentor teachers are champion, our TDCs are champion, our NGOs are champion, our collaborators are champion. So we are celebrating with them, we are facilitating with them, we are certifying them, we are recognizing them. And so these are not the magical things. These can be easily replicable to any system. So I'm sharing today these very, very simple things that can lead any system to success, any system to reform itself. And these are very, very obvious things. And thank you from my side. Thank you. Thank you, Raut sir. Hello.